Now we add our sugar. Ay! Oh my gosh! Dapat kasi inalis ko muna. Okay. You got this. Hi guys! It's Kathryn Bernardo for AIA Philippines. And today, we will be trying baking. And just to be clear, hindi ako expert hindi ako expert, like, at all. But I guess that's the point. Let's try anyway. I feel like sometimes we avoid things we're not good at parang nakakahiya at nakakatakot magkamali. So, we just stick to what's familiar. I still have my days na kinakabahan akong magkamali sa set. When there's a heavy scene or sometimes kapag may mga kasama akong senior actors on set, no matter how prepared you are, pag nandun ka na, magkakamali ka because, you know, we're just human beings. But yun pala, it's okay because that's where we learn. I also learned how to calm myself, especially under pressure. And once magawa mo, kaya naman pala i-handle yung ganung pressure. And I think very fulfilling yung nararamdaman ko after that, na it's okay to make mistakes. Let's start. Step 1, preheat the oven. So moving on with our dry ingredients. First, we got flour, baking soda, baking powder, tak-tak nyo lang. Cinnamon, I love cinnamon. Ang bango. And then, salt. And now we mix it with love and care. Alam ko nakaka-pressure kasi baka magkamali, especially with the measurements kapag baking, and the final product won't be the same. But I realize you don't really grow if you stay where you're comfortable. Minsan, kailangan mo talagang mag-try. Amen, sister. Moving on with our wet ingredients, let's first mix our butter and sugar. Okay, let's put the butter. Now we add our sugar. Ay! Oh my gosh! Dapat kasi inalis ko muna. Sugar, put everything. We love sugar. Eto, we mix it using this beautiful mixer. Wait lang. Kasado na yun, chef, na? Okay. So, 1 egg. Here. Super fresh. How will you know? Natutunan ka lang din. Ganon. Ah, tama ba, chef? Fresh egg. Dump the egg. Cool. I think trying something new is really exciting. Do you guys agree? Agree. Banana first. Go. Next, let's add the oil. I'm adding the yogurt. I know, right? Ngayon ko lang din nalaman na dapat may yogurt. Ang bango na niya. Then lastly, our milk. Alam ko, parang ang dami and unconventional to add yogurt, but trust the process. Trust me. Do you trust me? Okay, so combine, but don't overmix, okay? So, tapos na. Let's not overmix. Now, let's add our dry ingredients. Slowly. Yun. Okay, and then mix ulit natin for like 1 to 2 minutes. Don't overmix, okay? Then you can add whatever you like after this, all your favorite things. Ikot? Beautiful! Now, malapit na tayo, guys. Malapit na. We're gonna add our chocolate chips, walnuts, and then we mix it. Wow, I'm really learning from this, and I'm also learning how to step out from my comfort zone, to not be afraid of being a beginner again. Okay, we're almost done, guys. Now, fill the pan, but not too full, okay? So, 3/4 of this baking pan. 3/4. Wow, ang bango niya. Is this enough? Little more. It smells good. Legit. Okay, and now we bake. Our oven's ready. Okay, is this cold? Okay, cold na. Now it's time to try this. Let's go. Wow. And then let's just flip this. Ang ganda niya. Look at it, guys. Let's try it. Cheers! Really good. Not bad, huh? I think being healthy isn't just about what you're used to. It's also about trying something new, even if you're not good at it yet. You're choosing to grow, even when it's uncomfortable. And as you grow, it's just as important to make sure you're protecting what matters, your health and your future. Find out how AIA can help you protect your health and your future. Visit aia.com.ph.